Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am super excited for today's video because I am repacking a bag that I've reviewed in the past, but that was quite a bit ago. It's one of my favorite diaper bags for summer because it's made of microfiber vegan leather. I have talked about microfiber before on my channel and I just think it is an amazing material. It's vegan, it will not chip or peel. It's durable, it's waterproof, like it just checks all the boxes. It is currently, I don't know if you can hear it, but it is downpouring right now. Like we got home and we had to run into the house and we all got soaked, the bag got soaked, and everything inside is just fine, no problem there. So I guess I should tell you the bag, huh? I'm going to be showing you how I have my Mina Baie Stevie packed up. I reviewed it previously in the color Stone, but now I have the color Terra, which I love a good medium brown bag for summer. I just think it screams summer to me, and it screams summer dresses and jean jackets, and like just goes with all the vibes of summer. So without further ado, let me get the bag. Let me show you how I have her packed up. All right, so here she is. This again is the Mina Baie Stevie backpack, and I have been using her for probably a month now. And every time I get her again, I love her. So Mina Baie just makes beautiful, high quality bags. This is probably my favorite bag of theirs. The Emmy is a close second, but this one is definitely a favorite. And it's just comfortable. It has all the things. So let me just show you around the bag. You have a nice front pocket here, and it does bump off the bag. So it maintains room for whatever you want to put in here, even if you have this part packed up very full, which I like. I like that there is an over-the-shoulder option because depending if I'm baby wearing or whatever, sometimes it's easier to use this strap than on the back. You do have nice backpack straps. They are adjustable. I do think that this bag would work for almost any size. My husband can wear this comfortably. You have a slip pocket back here that then can unzip at the bottom and turn into a luggage sleeve. Then you have a neoprene pocket here. This is where I really enjoy keeping my phone because I can get to it on my back really easily, but it's also really safe against my back. And then you have a bottle pocket that is magnetic on either side. I really love the grab handle on the Stevie. It's in the center of the bag, so it holds the weight very nicely. So let me show you what I have inside. All right, so in this front pocket is basically the mommy pocket, right? If you're a Jujubee fan, that is like a thing with their bags. And you have two little slip pockets in here. In the smaller side is where I normally keep my car key. It's not in here right now, but that's where I put it if I was out and about. And then on the other side, I have this wallet from Andar. I will link this down below. It is one of my favorite wallets because it fits everything, but it's super minimal and slim. Then down in the center of the pocket, I just have some pens. And that's everything that was in there. My phone would also fit in there if I chose to put it there. I do not have anything on these bottle pockets, but my phone also fits there. It does fit a normal size baby bottle or water bottle, so that's great. I just prefer not to carry bottles on the outside of my bag. And then I love that you get a double zipper. Just makes life easier. So I'll give you a bird's eye view. Like, look how organized. Everything is just perfectly packed. Alright, so let me see if I can change my view a little bit so you can see the inside of the bag. Right, so in the center, I have my normal pouches. This is a medium set piece by Jujubee. These come in a set of 3, and I use these bags all of the time for multiple things. This is my snack bag. As usual, it has been picked through, and I need to refill it, but it is what it is. Then, right next to that, I have the large piece of the same set, and in here is where I keep my diapering needs. We were well on our way to potty training, but he wasn't quite ready, so we're back in diapers. So I like having them all in this pouch so that if we need to change him, you don't need to take the whole bag. You can just grab this and do what you need to do. Then sitting right next to those two things is this first aid kit. I got this from Amazon, and then I added some things to it, and it's been working out really well. I'm not a huge fan of the Velcro, but it's nice and compact. I have some nail clippers and tweezers over here. I added some flossers and some of this powdered Tylenol, and then everything else came with it. There's ointment, there's band-aids, all the things. And it holds up nicely. It's nice and compact, and it's super organized, so when there's a boo-boo or an emergency, it's easy to find things. Then we're moving on to the pocketing of the bag. So on the back wall of the bag, you get this nice laptop sleeve. Then there's a zipper pocket and 2 slip pockets beneath it. In the laptop sleeve, I am keeping a journal, and I just use this for content ideas or grocery lists or playing hangman with the kids or tic-tac-toe. I just always like to have a journal. Sometimes they'll rip out a page and draw on it, so this always comes in handy. And then right next to that, I have a little pencil case, and I just have some colored pencils in here for them to draw with. And then I do enjoy that this pocket buttons up and it kind of just holds everything to the back of the bag. Sometimes when you have a laptop sleeve, there's no closure. It just kind of like pulls the bag forward, which is not my favorite. So I'm really appreciative that that has a secure closure. Then in the zipper pocket here, I'm just keeping my wireless charger. I've had this one for years and I really like it. It has all 3 types of cables in it and it can charge a device fully. So it really comes in handy on the go. And then to recharge it, it just plugs into the wall. Super easy peasy. So I will link this for you as well. Then in the pockets down below, I have these in every bag almost and in every video. These are Bumpkin's snack size bag. In this first one, I just have some restaurant needs. And then in this one, this is my potty kit. I have toilet seat covers, Post-its to cover the automatic flush sensor. I have flushable wipes and soap sheets so that if the soap is out, we can still wash our hands. Alright, so moving to the side of the bag, you do have a pocket on each side that is elasticated. Bottles fit really well in these. I'm not using them for bottles because I just tend to, my kids carry their own bottle, I carry my own bottle. But on this side, I have a carry kit case. I forget what this is called, but if she has it available, I will link it. This was like a hidden gem in the carry kit line. I got it, I didn't know what to do with it, I listed it for sale, and then I decided, you know what, I'm going to play around with it, and now it is my new favorite like mommy essentials thing, because I can keep like a hair clip, I have some hair elastics, I have a perfume, 2 lip products, some feminine needs, some floss, and it just fits so nicely. It's so easy to find everything because it's clear, and it slides into that pocket no problem whatsoever. Then on the other bottle pocket, I am keeping 2 items. I have some trash baggies for dirty diapers, rejected food, you know, whatever. You never know when you need a good trash bag. So I really like these. These are from the doggy section in Target. The color is just my vibe. When we turn the bag around, there are 4 pockets. There's a slip pocket, a zipper pocket, and 2 elastic pockets down below. In this zipper pocket, I am just keeping a hand sanitizer. In this pocket is where I usually throw my sunglasses. Like I mentioned, it is pouring out, so I obviously did not need those today. Underneath that, I have my wipes, so I always carry Clorox wipes and wet ones. And then the last thing in the bag, next to that, this is the small set from the 3-piece set I showed earlier. And in here, I just carry, I don't know what these are called. I got them from Amazon and they were called brain flakes, but people don't seem to know what that is when I say that. So they're just these little discs that the kids can connect together and have some entertainment if we get stuck somewhere. Alright, so that is everything I had in my Mina Baie Stevie. Let me know if you like this video. If you're new here, I would love for you to subscribe and become part of my YouTube family. I will link as much as I can in the description box below for you. And as always, I hope you have a fantastic day, whatever you are doing.